This is the world's most annoying firework. And this is 47 of those same fireworks fused together to last for over an hour. And let the hour begin. We need to order pizza. How's the pizza guy come out here? Delivery, please. Yeah, it's a parking lot. I just need 2 large pepperoni pizzas and a Mountain Dew. We're gonna throw a little something different into the mix so it's not just the same boring thing. So I'm currently heading away from all the action just to be able to see how loud it echoes. All right, so now I'm at like the end of the building. I had my AirPods in. I didn't think it would be this bad, but it's loud. It's really loud.
So who doesn't know is that he just hit 1,000 subscribers. He's literally right behind. You can see him. And he has no idea, but Rudy's gonna go run to the store, get party poppers, and then either as this is going off or right before we're gonna shoot it up.
We're this far in, we're getting a little bit bored, so we're gonna set off a rocket.
Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Oh good, we got spectators, baby! We're 13 minutes in and we haven't seen Karen yet! We got 3 of them going at one time! We're not even halfway yet! That's the halfway point right there! 11 more minutes and we're halfway! One of them didn't light, so this is our first malfunction. We're gonna keep it going. Other side. Come on, keep going. Still lit. Okay, subtract a 1/5 of a second. All right, so the pizza's almost here. We're each gonna pick and place a bet on which one we think is gonna be firing when the pizza shows up. This one right there. How much is that? Oh. I'm going this blue, right at the halfway point.
I was really gonna say the one in between what you guys said. The black one.
The on 4. Watch it down right there. You're done. No. No.
5 at a time.
It's getting a little bit darker, so we're gonna let off another shell. You're moving away from the tower. That was like right in the tower. Yeah, I told you. Oh, here comes another car. You never know which one of them's gonna be the Karen. We're past the halfway point with the fireworks. We're 37 minutes in. We've got 20 left. 30 more minutes and we'll break an hour.
I think they're gonna watch.
They have chairs. They think it's a show. Being as we got some spectators that are watching, let's give the people what they want. Oh boy. That was big. Let freedom ring, baby. Our pizza has arrived. What's up, man? Was it hard to find us? You ever seen these things? Saturn missile?
Yeah.
We strung them together. It's been going for like 45 minutes now. 47 minutes, we got our pizza.
Subscribe to Jonah Staab.
Yeah! We're 51 minutes in. We've got over 10 left. We're definitely gonna break an hour.
Okay, hang on. Okay, ready?
Yep. Stay there, just don't move. 1,000, baby! 1,000 subscribers, baby! He got me, he got me. That was fun. Yeah! Yes, that was fun for you. I'm holding your phone. I'm holding my phone. No wonder. Party poppers. Thank you. Let's have some dew. Cheers to all of the 1,000 and to 1,000,000 more. That's good. We got 1 minute to an hour and we're gonna set them all off. That's an hour. Let's set them all off. Jonah Staab style, baby. Oh, woo! 1,000, baby. Go get breath. 4 minutes and 14 seconds, folks. No cops, no Karens, just the way I like it.